To effectively get rid of an odor, you have to treat the source material. Sometimes it's visible and easily removed, but sometimes it's in the air or on hard-to-reach surfaces, or both. In apartments, odors can linger on the surfaces of ceilings, in vents, and behind wainscotings, baseboards, and cabinets. If you're a renter, homeowner, or property manager who wants to get tobacco or cannabis odors out of a living space, and you've cleaned the visible odor source, but strong odors linger, the Electro-Gen thermal fogger may be the right option. It uses heat to produce fine 2 to 5 micron fog-sized particles that deliver odor control deep into crevices and cavities. Use the Electro-Gen with our solvent-based deodorizer, Thermo 55, a heat-activated odor counteractant that's a blend of highly purified solvents and odor-controlling essential oils. Thermo 55 Tobacco Tack is made just for tobacco and cannabis odors. The Electro-Gen is simple to use. While unplugged, lift the latches to open. Check the rubber gasket for a good seal, then pour in enough solution inside to submerge the filter. The barrel attaches with prongs. Press it until it snaps in. Allow the fogger 2 minutes to preheat before operation. Before fogging, wear personal protective equipment, protective gloves, clothing, and eye and face protection. Do not use near an open flame. Be sure to turn off pilot lights and smoke detectors, and don't use near pets or humans, at least those not wearing PPE. And read the manual completely before use. If you've had a fire and smoke damage, call a professional. Control the flow rate and fog particle size by turning the adjustment knob clockwise for a drier fog with a small droplets, and counterclockwise for a damper fog with larger droplets. For best results, we recommend a dry fog. Start fogging at the farthest point and work your way back to the entry, pausing after each 15 seconds, and then release the trigger for 30 seconds. This will allow the barrel to reheat to its most efficient thermal fogging temperature. Apply in a small circular motion to disperse the fog. You can see the fog travel and penetrate cracks and dense areas. Close doors once fogging is complete and let it dwell for 30 minutes. When the 30 minutes is up, open the windows briefly to introduce fresh air to the space again. We have technical experts like myself available to help, and we offer professional classes. You can find our class schedules and all of these products on our website.